I stepped into the world of welding to discover my potential. Growing up with my lahui has taught me the value of nurturing skills through practice and repetition. And I come from an ohana with a history of working with metal, so I'm glad to continue their footsteps with a program that fits my budget and my schedule. My goal? To help my lahui with these skills, to mend and to build, to make the land thrive. It's always been about doing good work with good people, no matter where I am. I found my place at the UH community colleges. I'm not just a student here, I'm a farmer and a welder with a dream. And I have to say it feels good to shape my future here with my own hands.